You are going to love the 2023 Mirage. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 3-cylinder, 1.2-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, tires front all season, tires rear all season, wheel covers, front disc rear drum brakes, FWD. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.